Hi guys! Well, it's the 1st of March coming. Are you about to pick up a new camper van? If you are, don't go anywhere. You better watch this. So we've heard on the grapevine that there might be quite a lot of people who are really lucky to be picking up a brand new Volkswagen California from the 1st of March onwards, because Volkswagen have had a really big push in terms of sales. They've had good deals on, they've had good finance deals on, lots of warranty extension stuff, 5-year deals on servicing and all that kind of thing. And apparently they've sold loads of them, and there's loads of people who are going to be taking delivery really soon. Now, we thought we'd make this really short video for you guys. So if you're new to campervans, you're new to Volkswagen California, do check out some playlists that we've put together of the different kind of videos we've done over the years, which cover a lot about the Volkswagen California, because we used to have a T6.1 California Ocean. We had a T6 Ocean before that. We actually started the channel, for those of you who don't know, we've not always been campervan time. We were California time when we first started. So do check out our playlists of content around our California. It might help you out if you're new to your Volkswagen California, you're about to take delivery, you're trying to find loads of information out. There might be a couple of hidden gem videos that you haven't seen that we've done before. We've tried to put the playlist into different kind of chunks for you, so you can work through ones which explain how things on the van work. So you can check that playlist out. Do check out the link in the description and on the screen at the top. We've also put together playlists of kind of useful gadgets, those kind of things that you can accessorize your California with, you might find useful. Some of them are kind of basic tips and kind of essentials. If you haven't seen, we've done a top 10 campervan essentials video, those kind of things. Have a look at that. We've also got some explainer videos where we've done a bit of a walk round about the California that we had, and what goes in what cupboard and where we store things and the kind of things we take with us on trips and how we take bikes with us and all of those kind of things. So again, have a look at that particular playlist. It may come in really handy for you. If you're really eager to see what picking up a California is like from a dealer, brand new, we've also got our pickup video from our 6.1. So when we went to get our T6.1, and we've got a video which kind of walks through all the stuff that you get with it and what it's all for, because when you open up a California for the first time and you open up that big plastic bag full of stuff, there's bits of Velcro in there, there's kind of weird plastic things, there's all sorts of things in there. And we can work you through all of that. We can explain all of what that looks like and what it's for in that video. So do check out that video too if you're just about to pick up your Volkswagen California. Just another note on other things that we're looking to try and assemble into playlists. We're trying to put together all of our visits to different shows that we've done. We've done loads of different shows over the years, and some of those are quite interesting just to walk around with us and have a look at the different vans that we see and that we've been in and done a bit of a kind of tour around. We've done some reviews of vans as well, where we've sometimes gone away in them. We've sometimes done walk around tours and things. We've obviously talked about the type of van that we're just about to pick up ourselves, which is the Westfalia Sven Hedin. You can have a look at that too. So there's lots of different content on the channel, and it's really a plea for you to go back, have a look through the different videos that we've published over the years, because I think there might be some hidden gems in there which we might have done quite early on and you may not have seen because you might have joined us on our YouTube journey, maybe since we've been campervan time. Maybe you've been with us from the start and you've always been with us right from the very first videos that we did as California time. And if you were, then thank you so much for all your support over the years. We really do appreciate it. So that's it really for today. Really short video, just a quick explainer. Do check out those links, as I said. Do check out our playlists. Have a look in the description. We'll try and put the links in there too. That might be easier because on mobile devices and stuff, you don't get the pop-ups at the top and things. So have a look in the description. It will give you a link to the different playlists that we've put together. Okay, so if you are picking up a van, good luck with it. If you're starting to plan your new season, good luck with that too. All of the camping trips that you've got planned, let us know in the comments below if you are picking up a van, what you're planning to do with it. And yeah, hopefully this video has been helpful for you. Please do like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a great deal, helps us keep producing this great content for you. So we'll see you again soon for some more campervan time.